So hello guys, how are you all? So back to another video. So you know that we have been getting a lot of coastal ads these days, but a lot of coastal ad doesn't mean that we can get the manta ray and the peddler also, or whatever the bird is called. Yeah, I don't know the name. I forgot completely. So the thing is that we are going to get a lot of coastal land, but there is no guarantee whether you can get the, like you say, the manta ray. But the manta ray is very overpowered, better than the orca, I would say that. So definitely try to adjust some 1 hour, like just deposit before 1 hour, then hop in back. So you can get a lot of eggs. And yeah, my voice today is kind of different, I guess, because I am a little tired. So this video is mainly for the best way to do the tidal events. So the way I am doing is just for testing. You can't get lots of point using the tomato method. You have to go for the sugar apple. It's better to do that with cockatoo, rainbow cockatoo, or with magpie. Okay, so that's better. Or with triceratops, you can just equip like 3 or 4 triceratops, a mimic, and a cockatoo, or a triceratops, 2 or 3 mimics, and a cockatoo. That would be the ideal thing, I would say. So you can do that, and with the help of that you can get like a lot of things, like you can achieve a lot of goals. So getting back to the point, guys, that we have to not only get the manta ray, we have to also get the sea urchin. So sea urchin, I think, and walrus. Yep, sea urchin and walrus. So they are available in the tidal shop. And getting tidal coins is not that hard. If you grind 1 or 3 tides every day, you can get to 99 or 999 in few days. So it's not that hard, but the main thing is that you don't have to do the tide when it's normal tide. Do it when it is mega tide. Always remember, do whenever it's mega tide. If you come and it shows that it's a normal tide, just leave, just don't waste your time. So just do when it's mega tide. Mega tide comes every hour. If there is a chance of it to come, like Jandal said in the admin abuse, there is a chance. So, like I would say that don't go for the normal tide, go for the mega tide. And if there is no mega tide, just leave, play some other game or do some work. Don't play that time. Or give the clam a new pet so that it can like make another pearl, or it can go for another coastal eggs, because that in coast you can sell. You can sell the orca. So now it's time that we quit grinding on B event. For now, I had told till now you should have grinded all the B event stuff. Now it's time to grind the actual harvest event, because this update actually makes it useful. This update, with the help of this update, we can grind the coastal at very fast, and we can get pets of coastal from coastal egg. So there's a basic thing that if you are grinding coastal edge, you should be able to open few coastal edge at the same time. Don't waste your common egg. Just use the pets from the coastal edge, like the trash and enemies from the coastal edge. Put them in the clam. Don't unnecessarily fill your inventory. That's a very bad decision. So go for the coastal eggs, and I would be sharing my Discord server link today. So if you are interested to join, you can join the Discord server, so that you can get whenever I upload any shorts on Unstable or any video like anime videos, so you can get to know that I have updated, because I have like set up the bot of the YouTube, so that now people, because before what happened that it would announce to like everyone at once. So I wanted to change that. So now also it is the same. We are working on it, but it's back again. So you all can just know, and you all can notified whenever this useful videos will come to you. So keeping that aside, you have to go for the sugar apple event, because it will sugar apple method, not event, sugar apple method, because it will give a lot of advantage to you in the far sighted time. So I really recommend going for the sugar apple method rather than the tomato method, and I will fast forward it so that you all can see that I didn't get any like much tight tokens from the normal harvest. So that's why I had told that don't fall for the normal harvest. Just go for the mega harvest, or just quit. Come later and do the stuff again. No problems. Okay. So that's not gonna be a problem. Do the mega harvest. Don't go for the tomato method. These two. Okay. And you also have to see whether your friends are doing the daily quest or not. That's a very important thing, because it's the second time Lagoon Lily has been accessible. So I don't know if they will make it accessible in the next event or not, or the next update or not, because surely there will be a part 4, as there is no divine pet in the shop. So there will be a divine pet in the shops for sure. So yeah, so keep grinding, and do and try to do the clamp as much as you can. And I will take my leave now. You can see the full video, that what is the conclusion of what I claimed to you all, that why tomato method is not so good for this particular tide event, and why sugar apple method is much better to get the tide coins, and much better to do the tide event at all. So thank you guys. You can see the video now. See ya.